you excited to start September with a very cute planner setup? If you're ready, let's get started! Hey guys, it's me, ILVA Crafts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I am doing my September 2020 planner setup. I also did a planner setup for August and May 2020, so if you want to see those videos, they will be linked down below. I am so happy for September to start because with September it also starts fall, which is my favorite season because it has so many beautiful colors like yellow, brown, orange and red, and I just love those colors and I will definitely use them on my planner setup. But with September it also starts school. For this year I am going back to public school and the planner setup is going to be based on public school, but if you are starting online school it's just perfect for you too, don't worry about it. If you're excited for today's video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video, and also give this video a big thumbs up. In this channel I make lots of fun videos including crafts, vlogs, fashion videos and planner setups like this one. Don't forget to follow me at my Instagram at ilva.crafts and send me there your creations. You can send anything that you want. It could be a craft, a drawing or other creations. All the pages of today's setup will be posted on my Instagram, so go ahead and like there. Also check out my community tab because I post there every Friday and Tuesday by giving you a hint about the video that is coming next. If you're ready, let's get started. First of all, I'm starting with the first page. I decided to do the pencil sketches before, so the video will be shorter, and then go on top of them with a black marker so you will understand them better. I decided to go for a very cute theme, which is back to school. I just decided to go for like my daily routine at back to school, like going to school, coming home, doing my homework, all that stuff that a student do at school. It's just me sitting at the desk on a classroom and we are learning the planner setup for 2020 and our teacher is explaining it to us. I wish that planning was a lesson because I just really enjoy doing it and it will probably be my favorite one. Definitely. Now let's get started and use the black marker to do the pencil lines. First of all, I'm starting with the words of the teacher. They are in the corner of the notebook. She's just explaining us the September 2020 planner setup, and I think that this is a very funny detail. Then in the other corner, I'm just doing a big notebook that I'm writing on, and in that notebook, I'm just going to write down all my goals for this month. Next, I'm drawing myself that I'm sitting at the desk. Like my ideal uniform would be like an orange blouse with ILVA Crafts on it. It would be so cute. Now I am doing the table. On the table there is just a red apple because apples are a very unique fruit for back to school because students used to give them to their teachers. I also have my notebook on my desk and also a pencil case that I keep all my pencils and pens and stuff like that. Now I am doing the blackboard and in there it says September 2020 because our teacher is teaching us the September 2020 planner setup. Last but not least, I'm doing a calendar because every month should have a calendar, so that's why I decided to do it as a model that we keep on our classrooms. Personally, in my classroom we keep it because it's very important to see the dates and everything else. Now I'm going to clean everything up using an eraser and get started with the coloring. For the colors, I decided to go for like the school vibe colors, so I'm using like brown, black, blue, red, green, etc. For the notebook that I have on my desk, I am using dark blue. For my uniform, I decided to go for orange as I told you. I'm also wearing a necklace, and for my hair, I just went for brown and my eyes green. Now it's time to do the table and all the stationery on top of that. The table is going to be a classic color, which is brown. And then the apple is going to be red, and the pencil case has a smiley face, so it's going to be yellow. And the pads that are inside it are going to be just colorful ones. For the board, I decided to go for like brown and green because I guess that is the most classic color for a blackboard. And last but not least, I am coloring the calendar using two colors, pink and blue. I honestly really like this first page. It's probably my favorite one. It reminds me of public school and I just really love it. Now let's move on with the big calendar. For the calendar, I also decided to go for the rest of my daily routine for back to school. So in these pages, it's just me that I got out of the school and I just went back home. In these pages, I decided to go for more colors like rainbow ones. First of all, I am starting with the girl. It's just me saying school finished and I'm very happy. Such a happy moment. And then on top of that, I just sing, yay, school finished. Next, I'm doing the title. I'm just doing probably the same thing, which is the blackboard, and it says September 2020 calendar. Now I'm doing all the boxes at the calendar, writing all the days, and doing this small YouTube signs. That means if I filmed a video for that day, then I'll just tick it. And then I'm just putting some decorations like a pencil, an apple in the middle of the calendar, and some flags on top of the calendar. Last but not least, I'm doing the quote, which is actually very interesting and fun, that says, school is cool. And then the O's have some sunglasses, the O at school is like a clock, and the L is like a ruler. So cute. Now it's time to clean everything up and start coloring. For myself, I decided just to go for those colors that I used on the first page. There are just some blue pants, the orange uniform, and then the brown hair. Also, I'm doing the same thing with the title, just a green board with brown and then this hanging thing that says calendar. And then for the quote, I'm just using blue for the clock, green for the ruler, and yellow for the sunglasses faces. For the decorations, as I told you, there is this pencil that is going to be yellow, and there are these flags that are going to be in the rainbow color like red, orange, yellow, green, dark blue, purple, and pink. I just love how this page turned out. It's definitely more colorful, and I guess that it will inspire me a lot for like filling all the boxes up. I just really like it. You can definitely go for other decorations, maybe add some school supplies, but I thought that it would be better if I do the boxes bigger than do a lot of decorations. Now let's move on with the next pages. As you might saw on my last video, I did a to-do tracker, but last time I did it differently. I did it to like mini calendars and then just tick everything that I did. But for this month, I decided to go for a different to-do tracker because I think that it will be more helpful for me, because the last one was, I don't know, I couldn't understand which day should I take, so it wasn't the best one, but I hope that this one will turn out better than that. As you can see, this is the continuation of my routine. I'm just sitting down on my desk at home and starting my homework. I'm very excited, and I guess that this will help me or motivate me to finish my homework on time. First of all, I'm starting with myself that I'm sitting on the desk. I'm just wearing some comfortable clothes like a red top and just doing my homework that our teacher gave us at class. Then I'm doing the title. It's just a to-do tracker, simple one. Then the T and the D are bigger and the tracker are just capital letters. Now I'm doing the rest of the page, and this one is just a horizontal one. It doesn't come in calendars, so I guess that this will help me more. Let's see about it. So I have different categories like music, homework, design, YouTube, exercise, and brush teeth, and I also have all the days, as you can see. For the girl, as I told you, I'm going for a red top. Her hair are on a ponytail, and I guess that this will make her more comfortable while doing her homework. And she's just writing with her yellow pencil and drinking some juice. For the to-do tracker, I went for yellow, blue, and orange. And for the activities down here, I'm just going for the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I'm just so happy how this one turned out. It's probably going to help me more with like the horizontal lines, because the calendar ones wasn't as good because I couldn't remember which day I was filling up. For the next page, I decided to name it the Apple Tracker, which belongs to the mood tracker, that's how you felt that day. I decided to fill it with 30 apples. First of all, I'm starting with the title. I'm just using black and red. Then I'm doing the legend. As you can see, happy belongs to a smiley face, tired belongs to a sleepy face, productive belongs to this very kind face, then surprised belongs to a surprise face. Then I decided to do the girl first, and she's just wearing those comfortable clothes as before, but now that she finished her homework, she's very hungry and she wants to eat an apple. She has 30 apples, so just go ahead and pick one. Now I'm doing the apples. This will take such a long time, but I guess that it will turn out very cute at the end, so let's get started. For the legend, as I told you, happy is going to be yellow, tired is going to be red, productive, orange. Orange apples doesn't exist, but I hope that they existed, so that's why I'm using orange for productive, because I love being productive and I love orange. That surprise belongs to green. And that's so cute, I just love it. Also, the to-do tracker looks very colorful too. I'm just so excited to fill all this up and see how it turns out at the end. I'm so excited. I will definitely post a picture on Instagram of everything done. Now we're going to move to the next page, which is the last one, and it's my first weekly spread. I'm going to show you how I did that. First of all, I'm starting with the title. It's just a very simple one, but it looks so cute. It just says September 2020 with capital letters, and under it I just drew a ruler, which is yellow, and it says weekly spread 1 and a yellow pencil. Now I'm doing my favorite part, which are the pages, and all of them looks like papers. You're going to see that. So I'm starting with the 1st of September, which is just a big black box, and then doing some circles at the edges, because there are like some pages have circles when you buy the notebook, so that's the theme I decided to go for. And then using a blue marker, I decided to go for like thinner lines where you can write down your goals and just tick them. On the August 2020 planner setup, I did the pages different. I just decided to go for like a routine, but I never did that routine. So I'm deciding to go for like goals that I want to do that day. Maybe I want to finish my homework, maybe I want to like watch a movie or some sort of stuff like that. And I'm just doing a box and ticking everything that I want to do for the day, and I think that this will be more helpful and productive for myself. Now I'm doing the rest of the pages, so voila! They're all done now, and I'm just really happy with the results. Now last but not least, I am doing the quote at the end of the page, and I think that it will look so cute and it will inspire me every time that I write a goal. This one says, study hard, be kind, and find the way. I think that this is very important when you go to school because you have to study hard, which is very important. Be nice to your teachers and friends, and also find the way. If you want to see this one, I'm just going to post it on my Instagram, so go ahead and watch it there. I just really like it. It turned out like a back to school because it gives me that vibe, and to be honest, it is very easy and it doesn't require a lot of stuff, just a black, blue and red marker. That's it. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope that I inspired you to create your 2020 planner setup. I just really enjoyed making these videos. I will definitely go ahead and make more if you guys like them too. Don't forget to follow me at my Instagram because I will post there all the pictures of the planner. Let me know in the comments down below which one of the pages was your favorite. This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. I have anything else to say, just bye, and I'll see you next video. Bye crafts!